Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is the recent design of the website I've just created myself. Um, I've got a couple of messages from the buyer, so I'm just going to go and explain some of them. What he is asking me to create a video basically just to explain a few things and guide through the WP admin area. So I'm a designer, so if you need any type of website, including WordPress website, I can design it very quickly. So head up to oxcourse.com website, and then basically if you place an order, we do a very cheap services. We can create a very fast website for you within 24 hours. The demo website, if you want to come and have a look at the website that I have recently designed, this is the URL, so I'm going to just put a link below this video. If you click it directly, you'll come to the website. This is the demo website I have created. And if you like it, basically you can ask me to create another one, something similar, or I'll go a couple of more templates you can choose from. So this is a premium template, but I do the entire website basically for very, very cheap price compared to so many other sites that they charge more. If you basically visit our website, you can have a great looking website basically for a fast delivery and a cheap price as well. So I'm logged in right now, and if you go to the theme itself, this is a couple of options when he has here, and what I've done is you upload through the media the logo, and then just paste the URL when the file is located, and then put in here and you're done. We're talking about the favicon, and this is your logo. Once you do that, click on save, and that is done. Now we move into the next option. You go a couple of options. You can choose a green, the style sheet color basically. So far you see yourself is a green. It matches sort of the niche, and then you can use the code basically for a background, which is the background in here. Basically, you can change the background as you wish yourself. Okay, so once you once you finish that, you can go to advertisement. This is the two codes I have received, and I can go there and check it now. So yeah, okay. So this is the banner one, and that's the banner two. So what we've done is we installed banner one right at the top, which is 728 with 90, I think, 60, 90. And this is the second one, which is 250 to 250, and we have installed, and this will show out all the time. However, when clicking on any post, that it can be shown in here. Now, if you look at the right hand side, the 250 is a little bit larger than basically the widget area, so I don't recommend to use in there. However, you can use it in the main page, and when clicking any type of post, this particular banner is going to show automatically in every post page, or anything else basically within a website. We have managed to create all the categories and even a contact form if user, if any from your visitor basically want to contact you. And then we have also set up all campaigns. So I'm just going to go to the campaigns now. Okay, so when we go to WP automatic, we go campaigns created. So I've created each campaign for each category in here. Right, so that means the plugin will start posting content automatically to your website, including images as you can see yourself, title and full description. Basically, let's say I'm just going to click one of them, just going to click one of the posts. So let's see, this is the full content, how the plugin posts the content including a video, so even a user can watch the video directly into your website. Okay, it publishes the full content. You got the social sharing icons in here, and you got related posts as well, including the ones below. So that's about the site. Also, what I've done is I installed another plugin. I installed so many like SEO plugins, and other plugins which goes with WordPress. Also, I have included the Analytify. That's another plugin. It's a great plugin to track your visitors. That's As I mentioned before, this particular plugin, basically you need to connect it. Once you install, you need to connect it with your Google Analytics. You can create a Google Analytics basically for free. Once you create that, then basically all you can do is just connect the plugin. It will give you access to connect it with the account that you have with Google, and then automatically it will go back to your VP dashboard, the WP dashboard, sorry, um, where you then basically is going to show you that it has been connected, and all is going to start tracing all your traffic daily. So you got all the dates up here basically, so you can have a look yourself, where the traffic is coming from, what type of link they are clicking most, how many times they're clicking on the link, and so on, and bouncing rate and everything else. Also, if you want to view basically by country, you can view it this way, or if you scroll down, it will show you that how many visitors you got. Now, this particular design is very new, so that means the traffic has started rolling right away. I suggest basically to send more traffic here. You could use social media website, video website, or any other related website, even if it's blog or something else, basically to comment on them. Um, and then it will sort of increase the uh, page rank. Your website will increase the page rank, and that's how you can even get more traffic direct from search engines. So I've played with all settings basically. I've been setting up each of them just in the way it goes. I added the on the settings basically all the title, description, all that, made the change, all the privacy, permalinks, and all that. Once that has been done, now the post, you can see yourself how many posts has been published so far. All that from the plugin itself without needing to add yourself. Plugin, you need to use it basically. I'm talking about the WP automatic. You need to know how to use it. Once you do that, then everything will go smoothly in your website. Okay, so that's all about here. You also wanted to know about the advertisement, if they have been installed, because you can't view them from your computer, which means sometimes the cookies has been installed into your computer, and then it takes a bit of time, so maybe you can just delete them. It depends on if you are using a Chrome or Firefox. If you're using Firefox, just go up here. I think one is one of the options. So if you click the button over here, just click on history. You can then clear the history if you want, or just go to show all history. So this is how it's going to show all the pages you have visited yourself, and then you can clear that. Also, you can clear your browser. Once you clear your browser, basically that you can close down your entire Firefox page, and then reopen it, and then it will start showing, your ads will start showing. Else, if you just visit a couple of times, you try with another browser, then ads should show up basically. So, right. Also, we have included right inside, as I mentioned, an email example I'm going to give. I'm just going to add one email, and then I'm going to subscribe, which means when your visitors basically want to subscribe for a new post, if they are waiting to be published, or if they want more information from your website, all they got to do is just add the email. So I'm just going to add one of the email basically. So at gmail.com, I'm just going to add that. I'm going to click on subscribe. So what the plugin is going to do is going to send you automatically a link to say that you've been subscribed, and then you start receiving notification for all the posts has been published into the website. So this is when people are interested in your content and they want to know a little bit more about your content. That's how they can subscribe. Once they subscribe, they're going to receive information. So again, guys, you guys that you're watching the video on YouTube, I'll leave the link of this particular design that I have created recently. I'm just going to leave it here below this video. And when you click, basically, it's going to take you there. Have a look at the website. And if you like it, contact me. I can design a similar website to you. Thanks for watching this video.